Tomorrow I will begin my walk to Palestine. I will walk from Sweden, Gothenburg, through Europe, Germany, Austria, Slovenia, through Turkey, then Cyprus, and then Palestine. It's estimated that it will take about 1 year for this walk, and I'm doing it to show that, to bring attention to the occupation of Palestine. Today, 2017, it's been 100 years since Israel occupied the country, beginning with the Brits. And this walk will shine a light and bring attention to the situation and hopefully inspire more people to do something about the occupation.